Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find About Tablet. Now let's scroll and find software information and keep tapping on the build number until you see that you're in the developer mode. Confirm it with OK, you've got this information. So now go back to the left section and scroll down again. Here we've got the developer options. Let's tap on them, let's enter, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system update. Basically you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, which means that your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.